What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell, and if not, welcome back. We'll do a little short quick video on the Jaguar today. Again, it's a 97 Jaguar XJ6 X300, and today we're going to replace the spark plugs. I just replaced the fuel pump and the alternator. I wish I had the footage on it or whatnot, but it was just, especially with the alternator, it's really tight. Get down in there to where it's at and be able to see everything. So unfortunately I didn't record that. So before we get started, just make sure you please like, subscribe, share, comment, notification bell, and all that good stuff. And definitely try to leave a comment, and I'll try to do my best to respond back. Also, got a couple questions for y'all at the end of the video about this car. Maybe y'all can help me. We'll see. But today we're changing the spark plugs on it. So some of the tools you'll need are a ratchet and extension, spark plug wrench, 5/8. Need a T27 Torx bit, an 8mm socket, your plugs, some anti-seize, and some dielectric grease. So let me get y'all on this side so we can see everything, and we'll get started. All right, I'll do my best to try to stay out the way. So first thing we need to do is remove these 3 T27 Torx. Remove the cover, set it over there. Now you can see your coil packs. Also, I do have a misfire on this car is why I'm doing this, and it's cylinder 1. I do believe it's that one. So I guess we'll check it out once we get to that point. Next thing to do is remove all the 8mm bolts for the coil packs. Now once we have those, I'm not going to remove every coil. I'm going to pull one out, replace the plug, and put it back. And this car has been sitting since 2015, so she probably could use them. And on the new plug, I'm just going to apply a little anti-seize to the threads. Not much. Also, if y'all don't have one of these magnetic plug wrenches or plug sockets, I would look into getting one. It makes life a whole lot easier. Snug it up a little bit. I'll put a little dielectric grease inside the coil pack tube and put it back in. And as you can see, this one has oil on it, so we'll probably be removing the valve cover in an upcoming video to replace the tube seals. Leave a comment in the bottom down there, and let me know what you think about the channel, how's it doing, all that good stuff, what you think about the projects. Also, again, need to replace the tube seals, and what y'all think about the projects, what y'all like to see done to them, or any ideas that y'all may have how I can improve my channel. Still trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So any new subscribers, thanks. And if you're an old subscriber or currently a subscriber, give it a share. Help me out. And if you're into Hondas and want to check out my buddy's YouTube channel, he's working on a EF. I'm not sure what year it is. I want to say it's like a 91 or 92 four-door Honda Civic. Check his channel out. I'll leave it in the description, and I also will let it scroll across the top here somewhere. And that's actually, his channel is EFJ, I believe, is what it is. But check the description and watch for the scroll at the top. I got some parts coming in for the C4, so we have a few videos that coming up. I haven't worked on that in a while. Getting to be that time of the year to start driving that, so got to get it back straight. This is a pretty straightforward video here. It's not hard to do. So you can see the spark plugs look old and just dirty. Looks like they should have been changed a while ago. Next, you want to reinstall your cover. All right, so that's how you place your plugs in a 97 Jaguar XJ6 4-liter inline 6. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So I hope you liked the video. Now, I'm looking for parts for this car. I'm looking for the rear springs and rear shocks. I could find the shocks. Found a couple sets of used springs. I preferably would like to put new ones on there. So if anybody knows where you can find some, drop a comment down below. As you've seen in the video, I'll be looking for some, I guess a valve cover gasket and some tube seals. So if you know where you can find one of those or a kit for one of those, let me know in the comment section. Again, please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. And again, if you want to see my buddy redoing like I said, I think it's a 91 four-door Civic EF, I believe it is. Not too big on the, don't know a whole lot about lettering for the Hondas. Check his channel out. I'll put it up top again. I think it's EFJ. So check him out, give him a follow and subscribe and all that good stuff. And thanks again. Thanks for watching. Remember, I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, so subscribe. Tell everybody, have them subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.